Hello again. There is no I in team, and I am going to win, with or without you. Back from hell.
Play ball!
Get to it!
Oh, soldier, who will they ever find to replace you? Anyone!
You are all weak. You are all maggots. Oh, checkmate, Stalingrad.
Go to hell, Micah.
Fine.
What the hell just happened?
Like $1 million. Welcome to the United States of you just got dominated.
Yeah, come get some, you frickin' wuss.
No brains, hey mate? I slept in the corpse of water buffalo tougher than you.
I will send my condolences to your kangaroo wife.
Ugh! Bloody bogan! Let's settle this like gentlemen.
Time to inform your next of kin.
What the hell is that?
You! Yes, you!
This is gonna be a real piece of piss, you bloody fruit shop owners!
You are a coward, and you've died like one.
Ah, piss!
You cannot stop the magic! Hey, what just happened?
Yeah, come get some, you frickin' wuss. You're a disgrace to the uniform, pal.
Maggots!
Oh, no!
How's that domination feel, city boy? Never bring a bat to a battlefield. War is not a game. Hello again.
Oh, let me see something, so I can dig your grave.
Next time you want to kill a man, look him in the eyes.
Listen up, gentlemen. Time to get serious.
Your white flag does not stop American bullets. Words cannot express how much I hate France right now.
That sandwich killed them all? Oh, no!
Eddie! I slept in the corpse of water buffalo tougher than you.
This is not a camping trip, Sheila. This is war, and I love it.
Wait, no, seriously. Are you freaking kidding me?